I'm just gonna stay over here. Well, yeah, my goal is... What? No! No! Stay away from me! Oh, just why do I have to spawn here of all places? Oh, just no. Ow. There's a gun. No, it's a cute little channel. Just beard up. Oh, just put this on. Come to me. Stop moving. Okay. Well, as they're continue. So long. The Priestcraft is basically the craziest mods. Not like the craziest mods all packed into one mod pack. Pretty awesome. Ooh, I got 2 ender chests right from the start. That's pretty good. I'm gonna look up for some more else. Should, I really want to get like a fly ball. stay away from me. Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh my god. Don't want to know what that is. Let's see what it is. Where's my stuff? Let's see, what are you? Jump here. Oh my god, that's one of the bosses. Are you serious? Are you really gonna guard my gravestone? No, thanks, Jumpy Bud. Really? Another one? I'm just gonna run. This is not a place for me. I can tell I am not welcome here. Why are all these mobs spawning in already? Danger, Mr. Venus or something? I'm scared. No! What I'm feeling is gonna be a long episode. Really, Bitbud, there's another giant creature that tried to kill me. Oh, now you're gonna guard my grave? Not now, please. No. You know what? Oh, am I a sheep? Really? Okay, you know what? Ooh. I can actually get a start on here. I know this is probably like you're thinking this until your night or cheat and stuff, but if you play this mod pack, I think you know what I mean, especially if you exploding chicken? What? No! Really? There's bosses? I just killed a freaking chicken! What is your problem? Thank you. I'll just